Hello, music lovers. This is Raj Balan from Body Tunes. Finally, I have come to show my face. Next, I will show you my performance live, which is wanted for long time. So, I am now 75 years. I am qualified and experienced musician, teacher, publisher, sound engineer. Now, after teaching for 52 years of piano, I finally did something I never thought I would do. So I'm very much excited to show you my new concept of reaching the whole world with one single book. I have been teaching music since 73. Over 3,900 of you have subscribed to learn songs from me. You kept asking, can I get all these lessons in one place with sheet music and video tutorials? So at 75 years old, I created this interactive journal. You must be wondering, I'm very curious to see this book. Yes, you will get detailed videos in the next slides. You can see the book now, how the book looks. This is your journal. This is your journal book. It has got 84 pages of interacting sheet music, stereo music, scan codes. You can scan any song from the list. You can see the scan codes there. You get the description, brief description of the chapter. And this book is released. So this one book will give you the complete theory of music where you will not get. You will be hunting to get a theory of music for each subject or topic that you are interested. But this one book will give you about 75 video tutorials. If you scan the video, you can reach to my channel because you cannot search and spend your time. So I made this unique book. Through this book, you'll be able to reach for every video, every lesson of theory of music. And you can see the contents, how many pages it is. If you will see the contents from here, it runs to 785 pages contents. You can see the contents there. So much of contents available for this book. And you are going to get a complete theory of music. And your bonus is I have provided 10 songs, Bollywood songs, most popular one to start with, and other videos will follow. You can see the sample page of the first song or the second song. You are taken to the song with a brief description of the song, about the chords that we used, and a scan for the QR code for the video to take you for a full length of the tutorial, step by step, note by note, and bar by bar in slow motion. Whether you want to play a piano or a keyboard, all remains same. Once you learn the keyboard, you can easily play the piano. So don't forget to get this copy. This launching offer has been made by Amazon. I am selling this book, beautiful book, a journal which covers. This is the first volume of the journal for piano, keyboard. You will get lot of tips and tricks and connecting videos through the QR codes from the book. So we will walk you through the next slides of the video to get all the available contents of the videos. So everything is in one place. So no more searching about my 480 videos. It is a print-friendly black and white color book. No photocopy. It's the original book. Amazon is printing and delivering at your place. And it's available on Amazon at the launching price, and price description it is given. And you are really blessed from me that I want to pass on my expertise to you. of what I gained in my 55 years or 58 years of musical teaching and playing and performing, which also includes 12 years as a pianist in Taj Residency, ITC Midsummer, Hotel Hilton International, all these places where I played your whole world standard music. So now I thank you once again so that you continue with my videos. Thank you for supporting this 75 years old music teacher's dream. Happy practicing. Wish you all the best in the near, all the future video tutorials as well as my journal. We are also bringing out journals for violin, recorder, saxophone. All you'll get the tips and tricks, including the theory of music, other theory of music which is not covered will be dealt in depth. Thank you for listening and happy practicing. We'll move to the next slide. Thank you. This is Raj Balan from bollytunes.com.
I am excited to introduce my very first interactive piano journal to all the music lovers on my channel and to my students everywhere. This journal includes 75 pages of beginner-friendly music theory along with QR codes that take you directly to my YouTube video lessons so you can learn and practice at your own pace anytime and anywhere. This monthly piano and keyboard journal has been written and designed by me, published by Bollytunes Publishing, and professionally printed and distributed through Amazon.com for global availability. In this section, you will get to know my musical journey, how it began, what inspired me, and the purpose behind creating this journal for piano and keyboard learners around the world. Here you will find the detailed table of contents spanning over 70 pages and covering every essential topic in music theory. It is designed to guide any beginner from the basics all the way to playing the melodies with confidence. This section highlights 10 bonus Bollywood songs included in the journal. You will also see the Getting Started lesson page with a QR code that connects you directly to your first video tutorial. On this page, I introduce the key concepts such as the half steps and whole steps in music, explained in a simple and visual way. Scan the QR code to access the full in-depth video lesson linked to this topic. Here is a sample sheet for the classic song Ajeeb Dastan. You will find the melody notes, chords, lyrics, and a QR code that leads you to a complete step-by-step tutorial, bar by bar, note by note with fingering guidance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for upcoming journals, music books, tips, tricks, and new lessons. This book is sold and delivered through Amazon, printed by Amazon, so you are assured of the quality, and the launch price is available for a limited time. Begin your musical journey today and use this journal along with my YouTube tutorials to master the theory and play any song you love. Don't miss this golden opportunity of one book for any theory of music to learn any song. Thank you. This is Raj Balan from bollytunes.com.